Welcome to this Granada Houses Estate Agency information video. We're going to talk a little bit about what happens if you take on a reformation project. For example, this particular house that we're looking at. With all projects, you're going to need permissions, of course, and it's worth asking about that before you make a decision to purchase any property, because the level of permission you need will vary from property to property and town hall to town hall. There are, of course, some things that are in common with all town halls and all permissions, but it's worth appreciating that the time it will take or may take to get your permissions can add to the length of time it's going to take for you to do your renovation. If you have any further questions about that, please do leave some comments in the section below. Like and share this video. Press the notification bell so that you receive all of our other videos. Thank you for watching.